You know, our lives are built around people. And our brand, Next Voice 24/7, is built around people. And one of the best things that we've come to find out is that when you understand people, things start to fall in place. Our business relationships start to fall in place, and our own team starts to fall in place. And I think one of the best things that has happened when we started partnering with Lee is that Lee understands people, and people are the brand. And as we started building our business, we understood that our relationships with our core user, our core customer, were just as important as the relationships with the people that we work with. And not only the people that work for us, but the people that work with us. And Lee is a person who works with us. And Lee understands that our brand, through imagery, our brand through how we communicate, is just as important. So whether it's the words or the images, it's about the people. And Lee captures the image of the people, the essence of the people. She captures the purity of the people, the joy, the happiness. She captures the deep thought, the contemplation. But she captures the people. And it's the people that makes the brand. And it's the brand that really works the relationship. And it's the relationship that wins the ultimate challenge. And that is a strong business and strong results. And Lee and her work has helped us do that. And we couldn't be happier to be in that relationship with Lee. Lee, Fleur de Lis, is our official photographer at Next Voice 24/7. That's how we build a brand. It's about relationships, it's about people, and it's about images. Images in how you communicate, and Lee's helped us communicate through a visual means that is untapped and unparalleled. We want to thank you very much.